Adding links to your document. Now there's a few different things you can do with links. The first one is you can go to your website and say, okay, I want my video. You can copy it, copy the link, and then you go back to your document and you can go, well, you can paste it and that's how it would look. And there's your link. Now that you've pasted it, you can still take it and go to edit hyperlink, and it takes you into this box, and you can change the name and say whatever you want, my link. And there you go. It will still work. Another way to put it in is to go to the Insert tab and Insert Link. That will automatically take you here. You can paste it in the bottom here, and then you can still give it a name, my other link, and say OK. So now you've got a couple links inserted. To use them, Control, click, and it will take you to the page. And there's the YouTube video page. We're not going to load that though. There are other things you can do with links. So let's go back to my article page and say you want to link to a part of the article. So you can say, okay, I want to insert a bookmark and I want to call this end of document. And, oh, sorry, it is case sensitive and document. So you can only do lowercase for whatever bookmarks you want to make. You can't add, you can add an underscore. You can't add spaces, you can't add dashes, you can't add other characters. Anything you can't add, it will fade out, so you'll know that you can't do it. So say, okay, I want to add that bookmark. And then you want to create a link at the top of your page to your bookmark. So there we have the end of document. We say OK, and then we say OK, and there it is as end of document. Now if you didn't like it to say, if you don't want it to say end of document, you would just right click the link, go back to edit and say, oh, I pressed enter too soon, and then you would just say end and say OK, and there's your link. So then you would hit control and click, and it will take you to the spot of your bookmark. I probably should have done it here to call it end of document. But those are different things you can do with link. You can link different parts of your document. So with a click, you can get to different areas. You can also link web pages so that you can, or other people or you or anyone on the document can click and get to those web pages.